DroneShield Limited has announced a landmark $8.2 million contract with a European military agency, cementing its position as a global leader in counter-drone technology. This deal involves the delivery of advanced dismounted and vehicle-mounted counter-UxS systems designed to detect and neutralize unmanned threats, offering critical protection for military operations. The systems will be delivered within 3 months, with full payment expected in the first quarter of 2025. This rapid turnaround highlights DroneShield's commitment to meeting the urgent needs of its customers. Building on its relationship with the same European customer, DroneShield has previously secured 3 standalone contracts between March and October 2024, totaling $3.9 million. This new contract represents a significant step forward in their partnership, demonstrating trust in DroneShield's ability to provide reliable, cutting-edge solutions. CEO Oleg Vornik emphasized the importance of the deal, stating that orders of this magnitude validate the effectiveness of their systems in addressing the growing global threat posed by drones. DroneShield's unique technology integrates dismounted, vehicle-mounted, and fixed-site systems into a seamless ecosystem, providing enhanced situational awareness and rapid threat response. Their adaptable solutions are designed to perform in diverse environments, from urban landscapes to maritime operations. As drones continue to evolve, posing complex challenges to militaries and critical infrastructure, DroneShield remains at the forefront of innovation, delivering advanced defense solutions that meet the demands of modern warfare. This $8.2 million contract is not just a validation of DroneShield's technical expertise, but also a testament to its leadership in the defense industry. With this milestone, the company continues to solidify its reputation for delivering sophisticated counter-drone technologies to high-profile global customers. As threats escalate, DroneShield is setting new benchmarks in protecting today and securing tomorrow.